Here we're doing a repair on a '06 VW Jetta. A little scratch on the bumper, where we got the primer applied, and we'll get ready to do a base coat, clear coat, spot job. Okay, getting ready to base coat. We're ready to spray some base coat on. Now the base coat is applied.